god. Dogs of... This dog may still wanna come for me, bro. No. Stop.
All I need is you, baby. Over.
So guys, I'm leaving New Delhi. I'm heading to another town called Goa. Okay, that's where we're going. This is India. Some kids. I'm heading to airport. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Take care, bro. So I'm in Terminal 2, which is right here. Oh, see, it says Gate 1, Terminal 2. So I want to get out and go catch my flight. Wow, I just came from the security. These guys in India check bags like crazy, like they flip it. So thank God I didn't travel with my drone here, because drones are one of those prohibited items to travel with in India. Actually, drones in India are not allowed, are illegal. If I had it today, they would have taken it, 100% sure. Thank God I didn't have it. So, what time is it? It's 8. My check-in is at 10, so I feel much better. Let me go to this screen right here and see. This is actually a domestic departure. So let's see. Let me see my flight to Goa. It says all gates, but I need to know where my flight is. So everything is written in Hindu, or in an Indian language that I don't understand. Squizzling lines, you know. So I don't know even which is departure, which is, this is crazy. But let me ask, I'll ask, somebody will read for me, okay? Saved me to know the gate number is my flight number, because they only write flight number there, and everything is squizzling lines. Let me show you. My flight is G8 281 286. So G8 286, it's at 10. So yeah, now it's in English. They say 21 check-in is open. Okay, so let me go. 21. This is the busy domestic. It's a domestic international airport. So, but this is the domestic side. Again, actually, it's the international. I see Ethiopian airline right there. There's Ethiopian airline right there. Wow, Ethiopian airline is everywhere, bro. I think it's the most successful airline in Africa. I've seen it everywhere, in Norway, in Sweden. See that? I'm waiting for my flight. One way to go. We're gonna be flying with this Indigo. Around $100. Somehow I'm having breakfast here. Actually, what happened is my flight got delayed and they couldn't show at the screens. I started panicking because actually I couldn't tell what it was. Now I have some tea masala here. I have some bread, and she's preparing. No spice, please. It's okay. Salt? Okay, that's okay. No spices, nothing spicy. Yes, please. That's okay, yeah. I get problems with spices because sometimes you know. Nothing, just like that. It's okay. Yes. I fear when they put some foreign stuff and my stomach is not so good with it. I need to eat this in like 5 minutes. My flight leaves in, not leaves, but boarding starts, I think right now, or maybe in the next 5 minutes. I should go eat at my gate. Thank you, bro. Oh, okay. I need to look for a table. So which table? It's crazy, man. I think I'll just put this one here to reduce the traffic jam. It's a lot. And maybe even carry this in this like that. Okay, let's go. That's a plane right there. Our flight got delayed for like 2 hours. All in all, we're here.
तो cabin crew से संपर्क करें. धन्यवाद. Ladies and gentlemen, to assist us with the boarding process and preparation for takeoff,
This is my
please
seat.
ensure that all you
We're just taking off. Leaving New Delhi. Those are the clouds. Touchdown in Goa. Had the seats there. Guys, that's Goa Airport. Or right here is Goa Airport. It looks like that. I'm gonna take a taxi to my hotel actually.
चलो इधर से ओके dance
Yes, this is my driver here.
live yeah this one front
Okay, no problem.
right check
No
Okay.
problem, no problem. What's up? Look, they have two.
one give me
Okay. Okay. So
भद्रो देखो देखो रिटर्न देखो रिटर्न देखो हाँ
okay. So let's go.
कलमगुड़ में कौन सा होटल है सर
Goa.
लिया है क्या लेना है ये वही था थे
So guys, we actually stopped by here to get some gas. So it's 97 per
पेट्रोल
per liter, right?
लीटर
So 97 rupees.
10 लीटर
Yes. So 97 rupees
97 10 लीटर
per liter.
वही 2 पर
Actually,
लाए आके बोलो
the thing is, $1 or €1 is around 80 right now, like around 80 rupees. So
Wow.
you can imagine. So 97 is like €1 up. Let's say €1.20 around there. Yeah, that's my driver. And I met some guys here also. Yes. All right. We're listening to some music. So guys, this is Goa. We're just cruising. I actually like trees. It's very green here. It's totally Costa Rican vibe or Mombasa, Kenya vibe. Purely coastal and a lot of green veg. Yes, you see, super green. You can tell. And it's wavy. It reminds me of Trinidad and Tobago also. Yes, going to Marcus Beach Road. This one here. We're still cruising in the roads of Goa. It's very green. It's like a rainforest, you know. And then you can feel the breeze, the very nice oceanic breeze. And just seeing it so green like this, you just feel you want to live here, you know. And also you can feel the, you know, the coastal vibe, just chill vibe, no pressure. So that's what we're doing right here. first impression of Goa. Looks like a place I'll live. There's a lady here on a motorbike also. Very lush, really amazing. It reminds me of the Philippines also, and we are very close to Sri Lanka, like just the other side of the Indian Ocean. We are in Sri Lanka. So Goa, yeah, looks really cool. There's a Philippine vibe. That's what I'm getting from here, you know. The driver is doing a good job. Kinda serious, but we are going, okay. Okay, let's go. So this is Goa. You can feel the vibe is very different here. Reminds me of Costa Rica, Philippines, Kenya, in like Kilifi. It's purely the coastal vibe, a lot of coconut trees, you know. I think that's why people like this type of places. They are more welcoming, you know, they are more chill vibe. Wow, oh, that guy. Life goes on.
हमारा एक ही ड्रॉप है यार। देखो आप एक ही कौन सा भी डाल दो उसको छोड़ दो।
Wow, I just arrived at my destination. That was my taxi. So my house is supposed to be around here. Let me see where this. Maybe ask some guy sitting right there. I don't know if this is my hotel right here. It looks like here, but let me see. I'm not sure. High wave something. Uh-oh. Shit. I don't know if it's that place. Let me ask. I don't know where my hotel is. This guy dropped me here because Google Maps showed it's here. But let me go ask. We're in Goa. So actually people here are Christians. And there's a whole different culture here. There's a guy making a phone call here. I think I'm gonna ask. I don't know if my hotel is here. Ultimate Boutique. Where is this? I'm not actually sure. Maybe it's here. Looks like I could ask here, maybe there. I don't know. Inception. Ultimate Stay. I think it's not this one. Oh, yes. Oh,
Same.
this guy has a similar camera.
How's it going?
Good. Are you a YouTuber or something?
Yeah, one second.
Okay.
Hello.
Let me search my name.
नहीं साउथ गोवा नहीं जाएंगे मोस्टली
I'm actually looking for.
हाँ चलो
How come you have the same camera as mine?
वो नहीं है क्या भाई इधर जो है गाड़ी चाहिए थी
Oh, there's a guy.
भाई वो गाड़ी दे दो बात हो गई मेरी
Hey, how come you have the same camera as mine?
Man, I'm a mind reader.
You're what?
I'm a mind reader.
Oh, you read my mind?
Yeah, I actually already knew that you will bring this yellow camera.
We have. Can you show them? Show them the camera.
We'll do some magic for you.
Oh, you can do some magic.
You have a YouTube?
Yes.
All right, awesome. What's your name?
Marwa.
Marwa, pick
Yeah.
a card for me, anyone.
Okay.
First of all, let me show them.
Okay.
Come closer.
Okay.
All cards are different. All
So this
cards are
guy
different.
is the
Right.
magic reader.
All right, pick one. Don't let me see, okay?
Okay.
Look at it.
I'll show the camera.
Show the camera here.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Awesome. Put your card back.
Okay. Let me see.
Yeah. Awesome.
Okay.
Remember the card, right? Remember.
Yeah,
the
I
card.
do remember the card.
Hold out your hand. Well, I'm gonna ask you a simple question. Is that your card?
No,
No, that's not it.
it's not it.
Watch. That's not his card. The 9 of diamonds. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you the 9 of diamonds. Hold on to it. Hang on.
Okay.
What was your card? Just think about it. What was
Okay.
it?
Yeah, I remember.
Tell us. What was it?
It was like a joker, like a
Joker.
queen.
Watch.
Yes.
Watch. 1, 2, and 3. Turn it over.
Yeah, it is. Damn, how did you pick it from the top? How did you pick it from the top?
It's magic.
It's magic. I used to watch this on YouTube long time
Follow
ago.
me on Instagram. It's Magician Anshul.
Show us your Instagram. Bring your phone.
Where's my phone?
This guy just welcomed me before even my hotel welcomes me in Goa.
So that's my page.
Let me show them close.
like-
Oh damn, man, you have a big page.
100k followers.
Yeah.
That's me. All right. See you, buddy.
Okay.
Take care.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
See my page. See my page. Wow. So that guy tells me I keep going straight. High wave. My friend, you know, hotel High Wave.
Highway?
Yes.
I don't know.
Oh. Let me see. Let me again put my Google Maps. Maybe ask this guy. Hey, my friend, you know High Wave Hotel?
Highway?
High Wave.
Highway.
Yes.
Which
Let,
one?
let me show you. Okay, 1 minute. I found it and
You are a blogger?
yeah, I'm a blogger, man.
Yeah, hello guys, how are you?
Yes, that's
I am
made
from
it.
Singh Hospitality.
Please see, it's called High Tide Wave.
High Tide Wave, Tivai Beach Road. This one is same, na? Tivai Beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, this road.
So, and so these guys actually helped me. I met them in the streets of Goa. Just arrived with my bag, and I want to show them my YouTube channel. Yeah. What's your name, bro?
My name is Sayer.
Soya.
My name is Roman.
Roman.
Yeah.
Okay. So my name is Marwa. Yeah, I'm from Kenya, but I travel all over the world. It's right here actually. Subscribe and watch. I have crazy videos over 70 countries. Yes. Okay, take care, bro. Okay. So it shows the hotel is somewhere here. High Wave. That guy kept saying I keep going straight. Okay, start walking. Okay, it says 40 meters. Recenter. It shows. Okay, I'm actually following my maps here. High Wave, Sea Breeze Beach. Why does it show it's like this? But that guy said something like it's fake. Oh, this is crazy. Let me ask this guy. These dogs of Goa. I feel like I can't walk at night here. So actually I got lost. No, really, I got lost. I think that property does not exist. Hey, look at this. I think people here are Christians. So I think that represents something like that. So I ended up not finding the property at all. I believe that property does not exist because they don't even have a number to call. Now, I booked another one online. Thank God I had not paid. So I booked another one online, which shows me it's this way. Hey, this really looks like a village, you know. Hey, Goa. So this is one of the best places to stay. I think the property should be this one here. Looks like I need to ask Kismat. Oh, maybe this. Beach Walk Hotel. Hey, my friend, you know Kismat Hotel?
Huh?
Kismat.
Kismat Mahal.
Yeah, Kismat Mahal.
Go straight.
Straight.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Go straight.
Yes.
And take first right.
Fast right.
Yeah, it's a Kismat Mahal.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, at least this one looks, everybody knows it here. You know, the other hotel I was looking for, I swear it does not exist. And I realized people here actually have their houses named in Spanish, like Casa, Silvania. The roads are very narrow, like, wow, life in Goa. What did I come to do here, you know? But again, let's explore India. India comes out to me as I can't even explain it, bro. I swear before God. Maybe after my trip I'll look for a statement to give. But so far, this is the tricky situation, you know. India, I don't know. I just don't know, bro. But Goa has this fresh breath, no noise. I think this should be the property, or this one, because all the houses here, it says Hotel Kismat Beach Bar. What? Huh? Actually, it's here. Take right. Oh, why is this hotel? Could it be that hotel? I swear it is the one. See, it shows me here. Damn, bro. Could this be my worst mistake? But let's go see. I swear it's this hotel I'm going. Hotel. And they have a big dog. These guys will kill me. Hey, bro. Is this dog dangerous?
No.
Sure? Okay. I swear I can't trust this hotel. I can't trust these dogs. This is my hotel, guys. I'm finished, bro. Hello. Kismat Hotel?
Huh?
This one?
Huh?
Say hi, mommy. Hi. Only you.
Nobody?
No.
Okay. Bro, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on here. I'm telling you. Okay. Yeah? Okay, thank you. There's a big dog right there, I can see. Goa, India is not what I'm expecting, man. I don't know what's going on here. I swear before God. You know, it's a mix of everything. So this becomes my hotel. Can I actually call them? and tell them I'm waiting outside. But actually I booked it last minute because I couldn't figure out the other one. It actually does not exist. One of the guys told me that. So let me see. Kismat Hotel. Do they even have a number? Yeah, these ones you see, they have a number. Let me call them. It should be ringing inside. Hello, this is Kismat Hotel.
Yes, it is.
I am outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you having a booking?
Yeah, I have a reservation here, and I think there's nobody here.
What's your name, sir?
Frederick Marwa.
Okay, so just wait 2 minutes, sir. Now you will be there. Okay.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Okay, you too. Two minutes. Kismat Hotel. You know, Kismat is like having a good, like, I think it's like a star, you know, like you wake up and everything becomes good for you more than the rest. But tricky situation. You see, people live like right there. I don't know if you can see. I still can't trust this dog. Yo, bro. Just chill with me, bro. Mosquitoes are biting it like crazy. It's see mosquitoes? It's actually fighting some. Lots of mosquitoes here. Okay guys, I'll show you the room. Then we're gonna end the video there. At least. For now. Adventures of Kismat Hotel continues in the next scene. So I always carry a power bank. Hello?
Can I see your booking, sir?
Yes. So
When did you book, sir?
oh, just today. A few.
Yesterday you booked?
Yes. Actually, I couldn't find my other hotel. They gave me a name and I tried looking for it. I couldn't find it at all. I don't know if you know. Maybe I'll show you and you see if that it does not exist. Like, okay, right there.
No, this is from this place.
Yes.
It's not from.
I've been having problems now with spicy food, Indian food.
So if you want to have vegetables
Yes.
and you want to have veg food,
Yeah.
it's on the right hand side.
Okay. The same road.
It's on the right hand side. There are lots of veg food.
Okay. Let me see my room.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Okay. Check out time.
In the morning at 10 o'clock on today is Sunday, Monday night, Monday night. So today is Sunday. So today is 25th night.
Yeah. So it's
27
Monday.
morning. 27 morning.
Yeah, but like 10 o'clock
10
or
o'clock.
11?
10 o'clock you check out. Sir.
Too early, my friend.
Okay, you can check out at 11 o'clock.
Yeah, 11. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. 10 is like. Hey, my friend. Okay.
So this is your room, sir.
Oh, this is my room.
Yeah, it's a very simple room.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Okay. The key. Okay.
You don't have mosquito net?
There are no mosquitoes. In room there is mosquito. We'll give you one charge for the mosquito.
Okay, please. Yeah.
At night, sir, this gate will be closed.
Okay.
So there are two keys here. See.
Oh, this gate will be closed.
So there are two keys on your lock.
Yes.
One is the room and one is at the gate. So you
Okay.
can open it and then shut it back again.
Okay. Wow. So this is gonna be my room for the next 2 days in Goa. Okay. Balcony stories. Two beds combined together. Wow. AC? No AC. They only have this thing. But actually, I personally don't like AC. And the reason to that is it makes me like feel cold and I can start coughing like let me go look for food. Let's go look for food right now. Right now. Lost in Goa. So guys, I just found my room now. That's the good thing about life and the good thing about money. When you have money, you don't have to worry about a thing at all. Like money takes the worries of you away, especially like getting a hotel, paying for a hotel is just like a joke. So actually it seems I walked through the back door. Kismat Hotel. Can Maro get some Kismat here? You know, this tells you it's very safe here. Because people actually look where I'm staying. This is Goa. It looks very calm, collected. Now I'm actually lost. I have no idea. Should I title this video The Dogs of Goa? It's crazy here. Hey my friend, to the center, like that? Yeah. Center? Okay. I have to remember this place, so when I come back I'll be able to divert. So there are some coconuts, white wall, and just to make a joke, some popular local spot. People are coming with food. Wow, actually it looks nice. This is lemony. Wow, lemonint. You can actually stay here. It looks really good, you know. I have to remember this road. I don't remember passing here, you know. That's the funny thing. I think I passed through the other route. So Goa gives me a vibe of Kilifi, Kenya. Gives me a vibe of Costa Rica. Gives me a vibe of you know, this jungle vibe. Big trees. Some trees are just like already dead, but again it's lush and green. People living simple life like that. Gives me also the vibe of Philippines, you know. That's what I'm feeling here. Indians work, my friend. I'm telling you, look like these guys here. I think they're fixing something inside. Yeah. Hello. Yes, bro. They're fixing something here. Oh wow. Can I see? Just to see. Damn. Wow. Damn. I think they're creating a sink for that house. It's closed because of that. Damn, you see? Construction. Welcome to Goa, you know. Just walking around the streets here. It's first day. I got really lost, but at the same time I found a place. Let me go get some food. Narrow streets of Goa. It's like two-way, but the road looks like one way. So let's see. Some lions there. Shows power and might. Let's go this way. See, I need to find lunch and dinner. I think I'll just go straight to that place. Oh, how come I didn't see this place when I was coming? I was actually there. But my host recommended me to go to the right and go to a place called Streets of India. Hey, let me see. I'm having too many choices now. Beer 2+1. Hey. That offer is very tempting, you know. There's one called Black Dog. I think it's this place. It seems like a place I could come in the evening just to have a beer for the big boys. I feel lost, but I still feel home, you know. So let me see where this guy said I could actually get nice food. Okay. Okay. Hello. No. Stop. These dogs of India, man. No, come on, bro. Come on. No, take it away, man. This dog. You wanna bite? Yeah.
If I say two, then he will bite you.
No. This dog. I don't know what's up with this dog. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't have one leg. Look, its leg. It doesn't have a leg. No, bro. No.
He's a friend. Give me his friend.
No. Okay. Let me go, man. What's up, bro? What's up? It feels like it wanna bite me. I feel like kicking it, but again, please go. Just go, man. I have nothing. You know, now, funny thing. Will I survive this Goa? You know, actually, I had to elude that dog with my pouch. Otherwise, I don't know what it will. Will I survive? Will I survive these dogs of Goa? Damn, bro. This is crazy. So you can imagine me walking at night. I feel I need a stick, bro. Let me find some food. I'm telling you, man, India is a real test for me, especially the real street guy. Okay, so my host actually wrote me a place called the Catalan. So I'm going there, the Catalan Goa. He told me right behind the Catalan, I'm gonna find a very nice restaurant to eat. Oh my god. Dogs of... This dog will still wanna come for me, bro. That's crazy. I swear I can't trust any dog here. That's crazy, man. I can't trust any dog. I think they've never seen... These dogs have never seen a black guy. So I think I need to cross. I swear I'm so scared now walking in this street because you never know, man. These dogs. Now crossing a street in India is close to impossible. I think you just have to go. Dang, bro. I can't trust these dogs of India. Damn, you guys have seen what's happening. Let me find where this Dikataloa is actually. So that's Dikataloa, and my host says just right behind it. I'm still walking and thinking about meeting my next dog in the street. Oh, this is crazy. Maybe the restaurant is right here. Man, now I'm imagining walking at night. Every dog wanna jump on me, man. This is the place. This guy said I come behind here. Damn, bro. Welcome to Goa. How am I feeling? I think I will be taking more care of the dogs than anything else, than getting lost. Yes, people here actually hustle, man. People here hustle like crazy. I think this is the restaurant Sai Pasat. Indian, Goan, Chinese. It could be this one. Park in front. Let me see. Hey, my friend, restaurant. This one? Okay. So, yeah. My host told me right behind it. Let me see. Tequila Inn, rooms 24/7. What's happening here? Where is this restaurant? I don't know where that restaurant is, but let me see if I get it here. I want to turn my camera off because sometimes when you go straight to people's beach hotel, I need a restaurant. I look like I'm lost. Let me ask this guy. Hey, my friend, you know some restaurant here? Restaurant. This one here. Where is the gate? The gate. Okay. I think I passed. Man, sorry guys. This is now traveling. In reality, how it is. You know, when you're in a new place every single day, your mind has to capture new images, instincts, everything. I think the restaurant is this one. Even me, I thought, but in my mind, I thought they're gonna be the entrance here. But it turns out this could be the entrance of this restaurant. Hello, restaurant? Closed? Till when?
Evening 8 o'clock.
Sorry?
Evening 8 o'clock.
Oh, 8 o'clock? And they sell food?
Yeah.
Okay. So this restaurant only operates at night. I think what I'll have to do is go back on the main street, go find some restaurant there and eat something. It's actually late right now. The time is 6:02. I think I need a stick to hit the Goa dogs. Otherwise, you never know, man. You never know. These dogs, the way they are coming. And my insurance is expiring in 2 days. You know, so let's go see if I get a hotel. Not a hotel, a restaurant. But Goa looks nice. I'm getting, you know, like chill vibes. That's what I'm getting here. Very calm, huge trees like that. And just people, you know. Goa, India. Let's see if I get a nice restaurant and some food. Still on the search of my food. I think I'm going back. Curry Leaves Pure Vegetable Restaurant. That looks like a place I could eat actually. Oh, let me go to a big restaurant and see options, okay? You see how you cross roads here? This looks like a popular spot to have like some tea, evening tea, masala, and some pan. Wow. Goa, India. So people here actually are Christians, so it's purely opposite. And I've seen this name, Black Dog, everywhere, from restaurants to a place of selling liquors to actually restaurants and bars. It doesn't feel very populated anyway. It feels kind of more normal. Wow, 5 people in a motorbike. Welcome to Goa. Here we're just walking and seeing what's going on as I look for food. Tomorrow I'll have that, okay? Not today. Today I want some really good food. I think I'll eat in one of these restaurants here. Where are the restaurants? Oh, wow. Yeah, I'll have to eat in these big restaurants that look here, where I met the dog with one leg. Now I have avoided it like plague. Wow. These streets are very narrow, so you just even have to avoid them. Hey. This is India. This is Goa. Actually, this could be the most touristic place in the entire India, like where tourists wanna like live or stay. Yes, I thought I'll do that, but let me see if I do the opposite. These places look like they open at night, you know. Let me see this one here, if they have some food. Let me see. Hey, my friend, you have food? Okay. Let me see if they have some food here actually. So today's special. Okay, let me see what's up. Another bad day, but flowing with the vibe. So most restaurants in Goa open at night. So I want to try this one right here. So they say I want to cross the road. So they say they are closed up to 7. Now how will I cross this road? Oh man, many restaurants open from 8, 7 to... It's crazy. Maybe it's because it's a sin city, maybe, you know, touristic. So people want to have a good time at night and chill. Now I want to cross the road. Oh man, will I really cross today this road? I think you forced your way. Yeah, you forced your way. Let me see this one here. Okay. Let me go to Kingfisher. Food is smelling, so that's a good sign. I sit here and order food. Sorry man, it's just another bad day. Restaurant is closed?
Yeah.
Where can I eat, man? I'm so hungry.
This is closed. That side is a restaurant, Punjabi kitchen. Newton is
Where? Where, my friend? Punjabi kitchen?
Yes, Punjabi.
Where? Right here.
Go straight and see the board of Punjabi kitchen.
Where? Okay, man. Punjabi kitchen. Now, what time do you open?
7 o'clock.
Sorry?
7 o'clock.
7.
This one is a Punjabi kitchen. See the board, no? Come inside.
This is my like 10 restaurants. They say closed.
Yeah, this is open. Punjabi
Oh,
kitchen.
I
Yeah.
see right
Yeah.
there. Okay, thank you, man. Damn, this is crazy. Hello. Stories of Goa. Look at this guy. So I'm told if I go to Punjabi kitchen, maybe I'm gonna find some food there. Let's go see if I get some food. Something funny I realized actually is most Indian boys get really excited to see me. I don't know why, but another funny thing about India is you see more male or men outside than female. So, it's crazy here. See, like those guys riding, they wanna. Punjabi kitchen is open. Finding a restaurant here to eat can be a hassle actually. That's what I've realized. But let's go here and see.
Yes, bro. How are you, man?
Good, good. Thank you, man. Whew. This one, they say they are open. I see they're testing their lights. I think it's open here. Maybe. Hey, my friend. Restaurant open? Okay, thank you. The only restaurant open before 7 a.m. Let me sit here so I can actually have a good view of my neighborhood. Where? You are cleaning here? So we see the other side?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, chaos of Goa. I'm telling you, this is how, imagine, this is like a regular day this is a regular day of a tourist. Probably I sit at this corner. Yeah. I want a good view, so I think here will be okay. Man, this is crazy, bro. I'm so tired. I woke up very early in the morning to come to Goa. My flight was delayed by 2 hours. Then here in Goa, trying to find my hotel room. I couldn't get it. The hotel actually didn't exist. Then I ended up finding something else. And then I'm looking for food. On the road, dogs wanna bite me everywhere. It's like, whoa, 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 everywhere. I can't trust any dogs here. Now, this could be like my 6 or 7 restaurants I'm trying to get food. Most restaurants here actually open around like 7 p.m. So probably maybe I should have taken a shower. But at the same time, when you're new in a place, you want to do things quick when it's still the sunshine, you know, when like right now I'm trying to remember where the road to my home is, but I guess it's somewhere there. So I'm gonna be ordering food here. Let's see what I'm gonna get, how much it's gonna cost me. And after the food, I think this will be the last, I mean, it's gonna end the video after the food. Or local? This is Indian or local beer from Goa?
Local beer, no local.
This is Indian?
Yeah.
Super cold, okay? I wanna have one beer which is very, very cold here. Just to set off to shake out, you know, all these crazy dogs of Goa. It's crazy, man. Last time I did a video about rats. Now I'm doing videos about dogs. Maybe next gonna be, who knows, goats. Let me wait for my food. I'm gonna have one beer, one juice. Let's just see. Yes, then later I'm gonna go and buy some water somewhere. I think I wanna go take a shower and sleep. Actually, I just remembered my guest didn't show me a place to shower. He didn't even give me a towel or something like that. That's crazy, but we're gonna fix it. He brought a very big beer. I think that was not okay with me, so I asked for a smaller beer. Honestly, I'm not a fan of alcohol at all, but you know, I take one because I'm in a new country. I want to try their local privileges. Thank you, bro. Okay. No glass. Welcome to Goa. Guys, I'm combining some pineapple juice. Not bad. I'm getting some Wi-Fi here. For now it's gonna pause. I finish my, or maybe I should finish with the beer later. I'm so hungry, maybe I should put some pineapple. So my food just arrived. Let me show you what I'm having today for dinner. First meal in Goa. I didn't know they serve milk, man. This is a surprise to me. And it looks very cold. I don't know if you see that. But again, we have this rice and yeah, right there, right there, right there, right there. It's all vegetables. And I had to ask them to turn this off because it's gonna make my food very cold. So let me enjoy my meal. And I wanna say thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Please, if you've never subscribed to my channel,
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
how much do I need to party here in Jamaica? Marwa.
My name is Mo.
We are in Hawaii.
We're at
yeah.
the Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan. ¿Eres, Elisa?
Soy de España.
I'm heading to